Hey guys, Lally here. In today's video, I'm actually going to show you a little bit inside a coaching session I had with someone on how we can change their offer around to take it from a low ticket offer to a high ticket offer. So what do I mean by this? Well, I mean that basically you can sell the same service, but depending on how you can actually position it to someone, depends on how much you can actually charge for it. And these come down to a few factors. It comes down to if you're speaking in your audience's language, if your message is really resonating with someone, and if what you are saying is communicating with their basic needs when it comes to helping them in whatever area your business is specialized in. So we're going to take a look in this coaching session now, and you're going to see me ask a few questions which help Gavin actually get to the point where he's putting his offer in a way which will really resonate with his audience. Hope you enjoy it.
I'll have a look at the whole thing, and then sometimes what I do is I'm like, I can see where your message is off a little bit. All right, so what's the big promise for people that you're offering, Gavin?
So in my mind, the big promise, quote unquote, would be that result of getting more clients.
Getting more clients, but has it got a unique spin to it?
No. So my unique spin, quote unquote, was I was trying to do the easy to manage funnels part, almost like a product, quote unquote.
Okay. So for these people that you're targeting, do they know what a funnel is?
I'm making the assumptions, but potentially not.
Potentially not. So you could be leaving quite a few people on the table that have no idea what a funnel is.
Yeah.
And that's my initial thoughts. So what I would say, you've got up here this amazing bit: spend more time doing the things you enjoy in your business or on the beach. And that right there, I mean, what if you were to encapsulate that into one sentence? What would it be?
You mean the result of that top thing, or just if I had to reword it?
Yeah. So I'm just going to ask you questions, just so like you can see my thought process as well. But if I met a Gavin too, right, who also offered to set up funnels to help people get clients, and they had the profile set up like yours, how would you differentiate yourself from them?
Me versus another Gavin. Yeah, to be honest, it's mostly just my personality, and then I also do training after the fact.
Amazing. But I think you've got something even more here. I remember the first time I set up a website. I remember the first time I set up a landing page. I was like, damn, this is a lot to manage, right? And you've actually encapsulated this up here. Spend more time doing the things you enjoy. So you're, from what it sounds like, is you're offering a time-saving service, almost. A get clients and a time-saving service. So that's a massive benefit, particularly for people like me as well. I don't want to be wasting my time, fiddling around with websites and funnels and things like that. I would put something like that in there, honestly, just because like there's 1,000,001 people now on LinkedIn over the last year, particularly, that are like get client coaches. I know because I get pitched by them at least 5 to 6 times a week, believe it or not.
Yeah.
So, but what a lot of people aren't doing is helping other people save time. Having a quick and easy process. So I incorporate that into your headline there. I get more clients for online coaches. Easy to manage funnels. Are we speaking the client's language there? Potentially, but you also risk them not knowing what a funnel is, in which case you just lose 50% of the audience straight away. Yeah, everyone knows what time is, right?
Yeah. So it could be like I get more clients for online coaches while spending less time in your business or something.
Yeah. What I would do is I'd write out about 5 or 6 combinations. And this is what I do. I still test it all the time as well. And then I'd go and I'd trial it out for a week while being heavy on the prospecting, and see which ones you happen to book better and then book more. and see which people have viewed your profile and then see which ones have reached out to you. Because I've actually trialed like headline messages and kept like my opening message the same. And sometimes it does make a big difference, you know. And also, like, I've had like headlines perform way better than I ever thought they would. Do you know what I mean? It's been something that I've created in my head in 30 seconds versus something that I've thought on for weeks. Like, oh, how can I uniquely position this? So I try a few different things. You know, I get clients for online coaches whilst saving them time and reducing unnecessary like time wastes in the business. I get more clients for online coaches with easy to implement sales and marketing strategies, something like that, and just trial a bunch of them out. And does that make sense to you?
I'm actually writing one down right now. I'm like, stop spending time on your manual and boring admin and get more clients instead.
Boom, fire.
Okay, yeah, I remember I have gone through variations with the time focus. I think I used to say, get back. It was like, I give you back more. It's kind of like what my banner says. It's like, I get you back more time in your business to focus on the things you enjoy. But bringing in that outcome of getting more clients, that kind of hits harder, I imagine.
Yeah. So you just got to think how you can combine those two together.
So what happened there? Well, Gavin's offer went from I help online coaches get more clients using easy to manage funnels, which is very undifferentiated, you know, get more clients, like everyone's doing that, to something which is actually focusing on a pain point. And that was stop wasting time on boring admin and focus on getting more clients, right? And that sounds much more powerful to a person who's being weighed down with all the boring, time-wasting stuff in a business, which is those tasks which you can't actually escape from, but you need to do anyway. This is exactly how you take your offer and change it into something which is using your audience's language. And why is that important? Well, if it's using your audience's language and actually hitting on their real problems, you can actually charge more for it. So you could have like a bog standard offer, I help you get more clients, or I help you get your next career, or I help you get rid of blah, blah, blah. You could have that and you could easily sell that service for $40 an hour or $80 an hour or whatever. Or you could take that, keep exactly the same service, but speak in your audience's language and how you market it, and actually charge a lot more because we're getting very specific with what we're helping is. And he's went from a generic help you get clients service to I'll actually help you stop wasting time and so you can spend more of your actual valuable time on important tasks. And that probably as well targets a completely different group of people, a group of people who are very, very time focused and realize the importance of their time and don't want to be wasting it. And again, because he's differentiated himself there, he can actually charge more. So I hope you really, really enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more things like this, but only if you enjoyed this content. If you'd like some free training on how to get leads from LinkedIn, I'll leave a little link probably in the top comment below this video. Hope you enjoy that as well. Have a great one. Take care.